Yo, today is February 27, 2025. I did blow my account. I'm going to reiterate that. Um, for some reason, I tried to go short. I tried to go long when this area was a short area, was developing. You can see that we're rounding out right here. And then I let the 1 minute influence me to go short, even though we had selling things. So what I wanted to do, I did want to see what was the I'm not sure what's going on right now with this fluctuation of volume. Actually, let's go see what's going on real quickly, and then I'm gonna continue trading on my demo account because it's been whipping ads. And then I don't know what's going on. If we have the 8:30 news, unless the news came out late. No. So yeah, this is, oh, let me actually go to the 5 minute. That should help me know. Yeah, I started moving like late though, right here, 8:45, right? So, anyways, I'm gonna continue trading on my demo account, the practice account. Until my account resets, I'm going to focus on the higher time frame, giving me the direction. That's what I need to do. For some reason, I allowed this 1 minute tell me the direction. I saw the buy here. I said, okay, maybe we're gonna go through this, but I saw that we've been pushing down each time, right? Haven't really been going up, and the 30-minute had already set the boundary of at 11 o'clock that look, we're short. That's it, we're short. We're not, it didn't change, it didn't change, it didn't change, it didn't change until here. And you see that we got long, right? So we had long here, price went up. Then we had long here, price went down short, then it went long, then it went short, then it went long, then it went short, and it stayed short, and it stayed nothing, then it sold off. All right, so if we flag this area right here like this, right? Let's go to the 15-minute chart. We'll see that I was looking at this. Okay, we're long. I saw all of this strong green, and I'm not gonna lie, I saw this green right here too. I saw the absorption. So, okay, maybe we're buying here, but up here we're short. So 15-minute, yeah, we had buying. Yeah, long shorts never came in, but the price is not moving up higher, and then we sold off. It's just what it was. Now I said, okay, I should have looked at the higher time frame here, even the um the 1 hour. We see we had buying, and then selling stepped in. Okay, we have this to back up. The selling is gonna mostly happen, and we sold off. So it's not rocket science, but for some reason I'm trying to make it into rocket science. Even the 5 minute, after they had all of these, and I told myself, look, this buying that we have going on here, it's freaking weak compared to this strong sell, and then the buying happened, and then it was just like, and it knocked off and went straight to sell, right? It's not rocket science. Then we had, okay, we selling, boom, our first signs of, okay, we're selling, and then I just needed my absorption candle. I saw this little buy right here, probably threw me off, but let's go into the sell candle right here, and then let's see what we get in the 1 minute. Like I said, this thing is not rocket science. For some reason, I'm making it rocket science, and it should not be at freaking all. That's really what it comes down to. It should not be freaking rocket science at all. But some reason, I'm making it a lot harder than it needs to be, and it's pretty quite damn simple. Now that I'm looking at it, like it's not hard, yo. All right, round off, boom, sold. All right, there goes that strong sell. Price comes back up, sells again, comes back up, absorb. This is why I entered absorb, and then after that it was just good to go down south, right? We got the thing that we wanted to confirm that, hey, we just needed to get below this. Once we got below it, right here could be the entry. Stop loss could be right above here. I don't care. Just risk what you need to risk. That's 9 points, right above that here to 12 points if you need to, and then there goes 29 points. This is more than 2 to 1, so it doesn't really matter, right? It was that one or this one here. That's more than 2 to 1. Doesn't matter, right? Even the stop loss is right above this here. Boom. You're looking for this trend, looking for this continuation. Okay, price is not coming back down. Price did not. The price, if we come back to this, it did, right? It came back and retested that, Boom, enter right here. Keep going. Keep going. We're aiming for this here. Boom, we hit it. 30 points. 30 points on one. I have to keep reminding myself. I just gotta be. I was patient though. This is all. This is all that I traded. So, that's all that I traded. I was patient. All right. So, 1,500 bucks, and that's from and I have to count the time I start the trade, which is at my 8:30 pre-market, all the way up to here. So this is 5 hours. No one's making 1,500 bucks that I know of in 5 hours. No one that I know is making 1,500, and that's if I trade one contract. I probably would have had two contract on the pullback. Um, right here, this is a good pullback right here. So this is another shit 28, more or less 28 points. So plus nobody I know is making $3,000 in 5 hours. Divided by 5, that's $580 an hour. No one I know is making that much. And then calling it a day. And then if I could have saw this happening, I don't know if I could foresee that. But let's go to the 30-minute, because usually we get two long 30-minute candles. That I do continue to recall. Two long 30-minute candles. Okay, my things are not popping up. So if the first 30-minute candle, oh, there it is. So one long candle. All right, wait for the next one. Boom. That's an exit right there. So two long 30-minute. We usually get two long 30-minute candles. 39 points. 39 times 50. 1950, and then let's say 36 times 50 plus 1950, right? I'd prefer to just take that one there. This is still good. 3,750 bucks is good. I didn't expect a third one, but this is good right here. All right, 3,750 bucks. That's the way I know it's making almost $4,000, and that's another hour, but 5.5 hours. 30, right? 30. No, it's gonna be 50. 5.5 hours, right? That's 680. That's almost $1,000 an hour. No one is making that I know of. So I just gotta freaking follow my guidelines. This is the direction. That's it. The higher time frame tells me the direction. That's it. Not the lower time frame. The lower time frame confirms the direction, but the higher time frame tells me this is the way that we're going. No matter if we're in supply or demand, through supply, through demand, whatever it may be. Higher time frame tells the direction. That's all I need to know. All right, so I'm gonna get to drawing out my charts. I know I'm a little over with time here. I think this is still set for that. Okay. All right, it's 8:55. So I'm gonna start drawing out my charts. I'm gonna delete some stuff that I have here. All right, this 1 minute area has been holding very nicely. I'm gonna see if there's something else there that I don't know about. We're gonna make our highs and our lows, and then I also have to remind myself that when I do focus on the direction on the higher time frame, I'm usually pretty much right. When I'm focused on the direction on the lower time frame, I'm usually pretty much wrong. That's all there is to it. Right? When I focus on the higher time frame, direction, volume, and where the level's at, I'm usually pretty much right. Nothing to it. All of these wicks are saying we should short this bad boy, and I just went long inside of that. So I didn't copy that, but I did. All right, so like I said, I've been doing a great job with the practice account. Main account, I need to do much better. So I'm just gonna clear these up real quickly on both ES and NQ. I want to do some quick resetting. Yeah, they both look at this. This is I really messed that one up. Nice absorption right here on this 30-minute candle. Look at that. The levels are perfect. They're like top level levels. Like these are like the levels are great. I just need to do better. Look, we never touched this. Came back to it. Boom. Right. All right. Bam. 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 Sold off. Let's see what this is. This is where we had our selling pressure, and we had a buying pressure right here. right? Let's go to the 15-minute time frame, because I think this was showing buying as well. Yeah, see, buying, and then it dies out completely, and then it just rolls over. 1 hour selling pressure. Look at this what? Look at this absorption right here. It's a 30-minute level. Look at this absorption. All right, I am just screwing around and messing up, so I need to stop doing that. And man, I think I'm probably gonna be stopping soon because nature is calling. Um, all right, try my best to finish this up. All right, so all right, and then NQ never really moved higher. I don't know what I was thinking. I probably just wasn't. Pretty much it. All right, so we can clear this, but I'm glad that my levels are looking much better. Um, there was buying yesterday. My levels are looking much better, that I can say, and I just got to do better with my entry. This is ugly. A lot of buying down here though. All right. All right. So our levels are we're basically going side to side. I'm probably not gonna add anything to it. We got absorption right here. Looks like we're kind of bouncing off of this. I'll mark this here. I don't have any volume here, and I don't have any high day volume on the 30-minute. Let's go to the 15-minute. Nothing's there to support that. This is a weird complex thing there. Let's go to the 5-minute. Zoom out. Still nothing here. We do have buying structures here and right here. So this is the 5-minute buying. All right, that's probably where that absorption came from. Boom. All right, so we got that. So this might be a key level because price did bounce off of it. 5-minute buy. Like that. Let's make it white. Well, gray. Got another 5-minute buy that we haven't touched yet. All right, so and this is before the market opens at London, so not sure why we have all of that, but that's pretty much it. And then we have that strong absorption, and then we go to the 1-minute. I don't know why I'm not doing both sides. I'm messing up. I already did my highs and lows. Yes, let's slow it down. We're gonna go back and we're gonna look for let's do my highs and lows on VIX, and then we're gonna look for that, because I need to make sure that they coincide. That's what's been helping out. That's what's been working out. They need to coincide. So if they're not coinciding, then there's no point in me even marking anything on ES or NQ. Thank you, God, for slowing my brain down. Okay, we got our highs and lows. Okay, now let's look at the charts. All right, so back to the beginning. Daily, nothing. 4 hour. Got the absorption candles, right? Got these are strong bottoms. Okay. Got a selling candle, absorption candle. This candle is look like it might be a key level, maybe. All right, it's a lot going on there. Okay, 1 hour. Nothing really lines up. These are already cleared. Absorption, we're not going to talk too much focus on that. Okay, 30-minute. Some out. Now this absorption candles here, we did have one that lined up, right? But we didn't touch the NQ one. We touched past the ES one. All right, so that one can stay because we have that there. We don't have an absorption candle here at all, so this is going to these things. This is well, I'm not marking that. This can go away. So I'm just looking for candles where price like this is, where price has both respected and did something, so that way when they do come to it, it'll be a level either on its own or with. All right, 15-minute, nothing. We got an absorption candle. This is nothing when it's absorption. When it's buying, this is probably news. So this is news. So we're gonna mark the news. And zoom out a little bit. right? We already did all of this, so we're not going to keep looking back. So this is going to be news. Let's go to what was news. News was probably better on clear on this one here. News was durable GDP jobless claims. There's a lot going on. All right, so let's mark this. Jobless claims. So we're gonna mark the news high there. We're gonna do the same thing there. This one looks like it's nope. I was a little off. This is it right here. No, I'm good. All right. Cool. Pass it off of VWAP, and then we'll do the same thing with this one here. All right. All right, just marking the news. All right. So this area might be important, but there's a lot going on. We don't have anything here really. Let's go to the 5-minute. All right, we got something. Got a 5-minute level on the top. Let's zoom out a little bit. Nothing here. Nothing down there. We got RSIs. Nothing down here. Oh, we do got some. We do got something. This right here is a 5-minute absorption. It's not the cleanest area, but it's enough for price to round out of. So I will mark it because it might be important. Can't really find anything on this here. Doesn't make sense. I said this little thing right there. Okay. So we got this here, and then we're gonna mark it 5-minute apps a question mark. All right, because don't know if this is gonna be a strong level to really bounce off of. Or look like we may have had something in common. I like that now. All right, this luck is with us. Boom. I like that. Let's zoom that out. All right. Is this one? This one is with us. Cool. I'm just gonna grab this one here. Drop it there. I'm gonna grab this one here at the bottom, put this up there. We're gonna zoom out a bit and see that ES has demolished its level, but it's still respecting some of the stuffs, right, that they both created together. Doesn't matter. I just need them to create stuff together. And we have an absorption right here. We can see that it's been respected on all ends. This one here. Alright, and I'm going to go down and grab the one that says 5-minute apps down there at the bottom. Copy, grab this one, put it over. Put it right there, and then we're going to edit it. And it's for sure in apps. The same thing with this one. Bring it over. Like that. Boom. Do we have anything here that kind of matches? Yeah, we do. Look at that. Okay. And I'm going to look for those buying levels. We see that at the absorption level worked very well. We held it, bounced right out of it. So maybe if I was trading news, maybe would have been a good trade. Okay. So and then let's look for the symmetry. I really can't tell. This 5 minute looks like crap. Yeah. Alright, so there's nothing there. Alright, and then we're gonna go to the 1 minute, which is gonna be a little bit hard. I'm gonna detach this. I'm gonna do ES and NQ on different screens because it's just easier to see it that way. Okay, looks like they both had the absorption levels up there. Looks like price was really wanting to reject that. We have strong buying right here in the RSIs. We got a bottom down here on the RSI. We got another bottom right here. So price is doing pretty damn good pricey things. But nothing is really stepping out to me besides the fact that we have this absorption. This absorption is pretty good. This reversal is early, but I think that will be more short, just waiting for price to really find itself. We're not going to do that. I don't think we'll have an end of day volume. So that's pretty much it. Let's go to settlement price, and then we're going to call it here. Alright, we don't have any major news after that. I don't think so. We have probably 10 o'clock, 10:30 maybe. That's pretty much it. So let's do settlement price. Alright, cool. So that's where our gap is. And then we have this one for NQ. I'll bring it over. And then we're going to stop here. Alright, because I can't do my this is ridiculous amount of movement. We have that, but then price just went out. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Price is doing a nice job rising right now. Is ES stuck? Maybe. Alright, so that's it for me for now. I don't have anything else I want to add. 22 minutes, good. I'm doing much better with going through the charts, and going through my levels and going through what I need to this is what I was using, what I need to look for. Alright, so that's it. See you in the evening.